on July the 1st, and I climbed all the way up here to get this for a table. We're at a BLM campground or whatever, and there's no table at a campsite. We have a small table to set the stove on, but we don't have a table to eat from. I feel like we need a table to eat off of, so I got this thing here for the base of the table. And I gotta carry it all the way down there somewhere. Alright, I made it all the way down the hill with the base of the table. Found some plywood out there, right over there, covering an old fire pit. It's right there. There's some plywood there. Plywood was there. Hey, chipmunks, they like to hide underneath here, run around and play. You can probably see that one now. See, there's two, actually. There are two. But, yep, made it down the mountain. And that was all the way up there in that tree line. Somewhere up in there.